Welcome. I'm Lynn Kelly. I am taking part in Heidi Sonboul's challenge, her Easter DIY challenge. And this is what I came up with for the challenge. It is a Dollar Tree vase, a cylinder vase that I decoupaged with Mod Podge, some egg-shaped tissue paper. For this challenge, we have to mention Happily Thriving Heidi and list her channel below. So be sure you check out Heidi's channel and the playlist with all the other participants' projects in the playlist. To find out how to make this Luminary lantern candle holder, watch my video and I'm going to show you in fast forward. At the end of the video, I will show you a variation of this project that I did for Mardi Gras. Okay, I used my larger template to cut out all these different colors of tissue paper in the egg shapes. So I'm going to use this cylinder vase from the Dollar Tree, and I will use my Mod Podge to paint them on, glue them on. I will start at the top of the jar and layer the different colored eggs going down to the bottom. So I think I will start with the purple. So here's the Mod Podge. Okay, so I'm going to pour my Mod Podge into the cup. Whoa. Whoa there. Okay. And go. Just put a little bit on here so it sticks. And then I'll put some on top of the tissue paper egg. And I have the other size template in case I want to use the smaller eggs, which might work better. This is the first attempt at this style, so I will see which size works best. And the next one I make, I might want to use the smaller eggs. That looks pretty. And now the next one. And I overlap them. And it does not have to be perfect. So overlapping it looks kind of cool. And I like to keep a damp cloth nearby. Just to get it on my hands, on my fingers. This is definitely art therapy. The way this glides on. I love it. How smooth it is. Very calming. Oops. It ripped. Okay, so I'm going to take that one off. This is the first time I've had that happen. Let's see if it comes off easy. Yep. Not pretty easy. Okay. Another one. Ooh, that'll work out good. I was hoping it would come out right as far as the distance of the egg. Okay, that's going to work out good. Ah, the second one that ripped. Okay, this tissue paper is not very heavy duty. The foil tissue paper is going to work out a lot better. Okay, well if you make a mistake, there you go. Easy to fix. Okay, the little luminary is almost dry. I'll need to let it dry overnight. But I want to show you pretty much what it will look like with fairy lights. I think it looks better than I planned. I'm pretty happy with it. I will show you a variation. Mardi Gras lantern. Okay, so you can see how the different layers of the diamond shapes turned out, and then here it is with the beads. So which one do you like better? Do you like the Mardi Gras lantern luminary better, or the Easter egg luminary? Let me know. I am digging this Easter egg lantern luminary vase with fairy lights. You could put a candle inside it. So let me know which one you like the best. I am just really happy with this concept. And this is a vase, the cylinder vase from the Dollar Tree for both of these. So I wonder how this would look. How would this look with the beads? I think it looks better without the beads. Yeah, let me know what you think. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you will hit that subscribe button to receive more of my videos, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that bell icon twice to receive future notifications when new videos come out. Thanks so much, Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi, for hosting this awesome collaboration. High five, Heidi! I am so glad I finally got to take part in one of your challenges. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.